Welcome back to Simply Refined Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best pancakes you've ever had. For the dry mix, combine 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt. For the wet mix, combine 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk, 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons of butter, and make sure you melt the butter before you add it to the mix. This ingredient is optional, but I like to add some cinnamon to the dry mix and some vanilla paste to the wet mix. Vanilla extract would work as well. Combine the wet mixture into the dry mixture and carefully combine until you have one homogeneous mixture. It might look a little thick and lumpy, but that's what you want. I'm using a griddle, but any sort of non-stick pan would work fine. Start by adding some butter to the pan. Then use a ladle to scoop the pancake mixture onto the hot griddle. Cook the first side until it turns a nice golden brown color on the bottom. It should take anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes. Then flip the pancake over and cook on the other side for another 1 to 2 minutes. If you want to elevate your pancake game to the next level, try adding some blueberries and lemon zest to the pancakes. Top it off with some butter and syrup, and you have yourself a great breakfast. Hey guys, thanks for watching that video. I hope it inspired you to make some pancakes for yourself. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel because we're uploading videos every single week and you don't want to miss them. Also, leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it and let us know what you guys want to see us cook next. Alright, enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you in the next video.